Factory resetting your Schlage Encode smart lock erases all stored data, including Wi-Fi network settings, access codes, and pairings with the Schlage Home app and other smart home systems like Alexa or Google Home. This returns the lock to its original, out-of-the-box state. You should factory reset your Schlage Encode when troubleshooting issues, preparing to sell or donate the lock, or if you suspect a security compromise. Resetting ensures unauthorized users can't access your home using old credentials. Before resetting your Schlage Encode lock, ensure it has sufficient power. The lock needs fresh batteries or a wired connection to complete the reset process. Remember that factory reset deletes all user codes and unpairs the lock from your Schlage Home app and other smart home devices. You'll need to repair everything after the reset. If you have cloud backups enabled, make sure you understand what data is backed up and how to manage it before proceeding with the reset. First, locate the black Schlage button on the keypad of your Schlage Encode lock. Next, press and hold the Schlage button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the lock to beep 3 times and the keypad lights to flash red, indicating reset mode. The lock will reboot, clearing all Wi-Fi connections, codes, and app pairings. The process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. After the reset, open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Follow the app's instructions to repair the lock. You'll typically scan a QR code on the lock or enter a setup code. If you are using other smart home integrations like Apple HomeKit, you will need to re-establish those connections as well. If the lock doesn't beep and flash after holding the Schlage button, ensure the batteries are fresh. If the app can't find the lock after the reset, try restarting your smartphone and the lock. For persistent issues, consult the Schlage support website or contact their customer service. After resetting your Schlage Encode lock, always create strong, unique access codes to protect against unauthorized entry. Enable two-factor authentication on your Schlage Home app account to add an extra layer of security and prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update the lock's firmware through the Schlage Home app to patch security vulnerabilities and keep your device protected. When preparing your Schlage Encode lock for resale or donation, start with a standard factory reset to remove all Wi-Fi connections, access codes, and app pairings. This prevents the new owner from accessing your personal information or previous settings. To perform the reset, ensure the lock is powered, then press and hold the black Schlage button on the keypad for 10 to 15 seconds. The lock will beep 3 times and flash red, indicating it's resetting to factory defaults. For enhanced security, open the Schlage Home app and look for the Cell Mode option, which automates a complete data wipe beyond the basic reset. This ensures no traces of your credentials remain. Remember to manually delete your account and any cloud backups in the app, as the reset doesn't affect cloud-stored data. This step is crucial to prevent potential security risks, as demonstrated by real cases where unreset locks led to unauthorized access.